Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're on Chapter 3, Part A. Hate the deeds, not the person. I once heard Rav Shlomo Wolbe say, in the name of the Rebbe, Rav Yerucham Lubavitz, that only an Adam Gadol, a great man, can hate a sinner. Why? Because when you hate a wicked person, you aren't hating the person, you are hating his sinful deeds. And only a great man can differentiate between the two. The Gemara Brachot 10a relates an incident illustrating this point. Some ruffians in Rebbe Meir's neighborhood caused him much pain, and he prayed for their demise. His wife Bruria reproached him, saying that he understood the pasuk says, "Let the sinners be obliterated." But the verse actually states, "Let the sins be obliterated." Therefore, she told him, pray that they return to Teshuvah, and then they won't be wicked anymore. Sure enough, he heeded his wife's advice, and they repented. The Gemara sides with Bruria, agreeing that we should not pray for the wicked to die, but for their wickedness to cease. Rav Wolbe tells a story in the name of Rav Yerucham Lubavitz about the altar of Kelm. The altar's complexion was always very pale during the week, but on Shabbat, his face would take on a healthier color. One Shabbat, however, his face was pale. After Havdalah, his students asked him what had happened. He replied, the parrot Shmolkin had died. He explained that this man had been an anti-religious Jew, a communist, who had caused many problems, and he was a true threat to Judaism. But why the pale face? The altar said, imagine the pain of his neshama when he reached the world of truth and discovered that he had been fighting for lies his whole life. Imagine the pain that his soul will go through. Thinking of this, the altar of Kelm could not enjoy Shabbat. That is a great man. As bad as this communist was, he had a Jewish soul, and that would suffer. The altar of Kelm felt his pain. He was able to distinguish between the person and his deeds. Thank you.